Have you ever spent hours creating a PowerPoint presentation only to end up with something that still looks average? Well, what if an AI could build the entire presentation for you in minutes? In today's video, we're taking a look at Presentations.ai and finding out whether it's really one of the best AI presentation makers in 2026 or just another overhyped AI tool. So let's get started. First, what exactly is Presentations.ai? Presentations.ai is an AI-powered presentation builder that helps you create slides automatically. Instead of designing every slide yourself, you simply enter a topic, upload a document, paste some notes, or even provide a website link, and the AI generates a complete presentation for you. The platform is designed for students, marketers, business teams, freelancers, startup founders, and basically anyone who creates presentations regularly. Now let's talk about its best features. One of the biggest features is AI slide generation. You can type a prompt like "create a marketing strategy presentation," and the AI will generate a structured slide deck within seconds. Another useful feature is document to presentation conversion. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, or other files and turn them into presentation slides automatically. It also includes brand customization tools. The platform can pull colors, logos, and visual elements from your website to help create presentations that match your brand identity. For teams, there are collaboration features, sharing options, and PowerPoint export support, so you can continue editing presentations outside the platform if needed. Now let's talk about what users actually think. The positive reviews mainly focus on speed and convenience. Many users say it helps them create presentation drafts much faster than building slides manually from scratch. Some users also like the professional-looking templates and clean layouts. However, there are also some complaints. Several reviewers mention that AI-generated presentations still require editing and fact-checking before being used professionally. Others feel the pricing can be expensive compared to competitors, and some Trustpilot reviews criticize billing practices and customer support experiences. So it's definitely not a perfect one-click solution. My overall opinion? If your biggest problem is spending too much time creating presentations, Presentations.ai can save you a lot of work. The AI does a good job creating the first draft and organizing content quickly, but for important presentations like investor pitches, client meetings, or business reports, you'll probably still want to review and improve the slides manually before presenting them. Overall, it looks like a useful productivity tool, especially for people who create presentations frequently and want to speed up the process. If you want to try Presentations.ai for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future AI tool reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.